Hey there, space explorers! Ever try fitting a suitcase in your car boot only to realize liters don't mean much in the real world? Well, worry no more. In this video, I will give you the real boot measurements in good old centimeters. If this helps you avoid a packing disaster, smash that like button and subscribe to the only channel with the biggest collection of car boot sizes measured the way they should be. Let's get measuring.